ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 22 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 9. ನೃಣಾಮ ಬುದ್ಧ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮುಕುಂದ ಕೀರ್ತನಂ ದಹತ್ಯ ಗೌಗಾನ್ ಮಹಿಮಾಸ್ಯ ತಾದೃಶಃ ಯಥಾಗ್ನಿರೇಧಾಂಸಿ ಯಥೌಷಧಂ ಗದಾನ್ ಇತಿ ಪ್ರಭೋ ತ್ವತ್ಪುರುಷ ಬಭಾಷಿರೇ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಅಬುದ್ಧ್ಯಾ ಅಪಿ ಕೃತಂ, even when done without knowing. Mukunda Kirtanam, the chanting of the name of Mukunda. Nrunam, of human beings. Agaugan, all the sins. Agnihi yatha edhamsi, like fire fuel. Aushadham yatha rogan, like medicine diseases. Tatha dahati, in the same way burns off. Asya mahima tadrishaha, its glory is such. Iti prabho tvatpurushaha babashire, thus did thy messenger speak, O Lord. Full meaning. The chanting of the Lord's name, even without knowing its power, burns off all the sins of human beings, just as fire burns fuel and medicine destroys diseases. Such is its glory. Thus did thy messenger speak, O Lord. Note: Muktim dadati iti mukundaha. Om Tat Sat.